Excuse me, madam. Please nichukulie hii simu. What is it? Okay, I was telling you.
Telling me what? I'm late. I'm going for an interview. Nachelewa. Ala? Siwede hospitali. Ama uende kwa wazee. Mimi ni baya na wewe.
Okay, basi nichukulie kitu.
Siwezi.
Excuse me, madam. Nichukulie, please.
Sorry, what happened?
Imeanguka tu.
It's so pretty. Nini kumapenia?
An accident.
Oh, pole. Recovery.
Hey, thank you so much.
Sawa, karibu.
Alright. Excuse me, madam. Nichukulie kapeti imeanguka. Please nichukulie tu.
Unaniambia aje? Si uniname nichukue kakibeti.
I'm sorry. Nasema ni kwa sababu ya hivi. Siwezi inamilia.
Please, shida yako.
Please. What, madam? Madam.
Poa sana.
Simpe kiti.
Hapa hospitali.
Being rude.
Hai pa.
You never know what tomorrow.
Hata yamekuja.
Madam, kuja uketi hapa. Kuja keti hapa.
Anakuja kuuliza.
You never know, maybe wewe kesho utakuwa kwa wheelchair. Na mnacheka.
Hai, naweza kufungia kanisa. Hapa hakuna shida.
Tomorrow is unpredictable.
Tuachishe wewe.
Tutapatana hapa duniani.
Kwani unajuana? Unafaa kumuonyesha wewe. Unafaa kumuonyesha. Hapa ikija hapa.
Sawa.
Ibibia. Anafanya malaika. Ungekuona kwanza. Kujiulize John.
Mazeni.
Haya, anafaa kuona kwanza. Wewe bado peleka hospitali mali ambapo anaweza tibiwa vizuri, wewe unamleta hapa ulize job.
Are you fine?
Are you fine? Yes. Anafaa kwenda hospitali. Songa. Karibiana na hata nini? Anaweza kukuambukiza.
Yes. Come in. Ingia kwanza. Kagure.
Si umetupata hapa, washaingie.
Nimempea space yangu. Come in.
Kwanza. Sasa si anaambiwa kwa sasa hospitali. Kwanza ingie.
Wewe ni malaika, wewe huwezi kuwa mgonjwa.
Unafaa kumpeleka hospitali.
I'm even wishing you all the best.
Don't worry about them.
Tuone nani ataandikwa. Sio mshikilia basi. asianguke, asikose kazi, asikose job. Songi. Basi uketi hapo, sio ulikuwa hapo. How did it go today?
The same, but at least I can say, at least we have got someone.
Wow, that's good.
This position has really pushed us to the corner.
I'm not.
You see, a public relations office is the backbone of the office, of every institution. So if we go wrong in that, we are done. You saw how Jane was treating people.
Yeah, I can remember.
And what damage she brought to the whole company.
Yeah.
But I thank God. At least we have someone.
Yeah.
Tell Mercy to tell the girls to come.
Okay.
It has not been an easy job.
True. Hello, Masin. Please tell those ladies to come in. Yeah, now. Yeah.
This is my. Thank you. Hello. Kidogo tu.
Hello, ladies.
Hello.
My name is Margaret. I'm the MD of this company, Managing Director. And we thank God and we thank you too for the time you have made and the effort you have made to come for this interview. And we appreciate. But unfortunately, interview imeisha.
Imeisha? Aje na interview.
Okay, there is no need of doing the interview. Yeah, but Madam President, can you please talk to the ladies? Yeah. Welcome.
Ladies. Yeah, I'm KAGURE, and like the MD has said, the interview is over. I'm so sorry to say that that is it. And I want to tell you, ladies, we've done this interview for the last 2 weeks. We have interviewed. Interview watu 130?
Allowed 139.
Yes, 139.
Yeah.
Hatujapata. We know you are all qualified. Just a moment. We know you are all qualified. Tuko na details zenu when you applied. But the position that we are filling does not just need paper, certificates, and whatever qualifications. Only it's a public relations office. And for that reason, you know what has happened? I was there pretending to be one of you people, just to see the heart that you people have.
Madam.
No, don't madam. Oh, just a minute. It was so hard for you to get my pass.
Sorry.
Yes, I know you are sorry.
Sorry, madam.
But you see, it is normally said, what you do, your first impression is the key. So, I'm sorry to say that, you remember. Can you imagine she has even taken my pass? She has even taken my pass.
What? Can I have it?
Bring that pass. bring that pass or like call the guard.
May I call the security?
Madam,
Just a moment, right?
just forgive us. We are sorry. We are sorry,
At least you
madam.
did not take. There was 100,000 shillings, but you didn't take. Anyway, you don't go away with it. Anyway, I've forgiven you, but always remember that what you do to people makes you. The way you could laugh at me, laughing at a human being like that.
Madam, we are sorry. We are
I
sorry.
know, madam, you are sorry.
Yeah, forgive us.
Forgive you. Already I've forgiven you. But now, Madam Margaret, decided to take it. She's
Oh my
Jennifer.
God.
She's the one we are offering.
Wow.
You can go.
Congratulations.
Thank
Jennifer.
you.
You can leave.
the company.
And then,
Oh, please.
please go. Okay, Wendy. You want me to call the guards?
But we are sorry.
You are sorry. You are sorry. Be sorry before. You so. Okay, thank you so much. Be blessed.
We appreciate.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Madam.
Next time, be careful. Please. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. See you. Thanks so much. Now, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Don't worry.
Welcome to our company.
Now, thank you for your.
Are you fine?
Yeah, you can see, I'm not sick. Look at her, it's the same. All right, you can take her through, then she can start from. Are we is all okay with you? Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Welcome.
You will inform me.
Yeah, I'll inform you.
Thank you.
Good day, madam. Welcome.